Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is another one of those videos that I love to film. Besides doing planner lineup videos, I also love sharing with you my planner setup videos. So that is what this video is going to be, showing you how I'm going to be setting up each of my planners for 2023. But make sure you go on over, check out my video where I showed you what planners I'm going to be using for 2023 and how I'm going to be using them in my 2023 planner lineup video. So now in this video, I'm going to be setting up my classic happy planner that is in the dashboard layout. This planner is going to be used as my catch-all / home planner. And I have a lot of sections that I want to go ahead and set up in this planner, which I'm going to show you. And so again, I am going to be changing the covers out. So I have my covers, I have my inserts, as well as some dividers and some other trackers in here that I'm going to be including. So I can't wait to show you how to set this up. So let's go ahead and start setting up this planner. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and already set up this planner. So in this video, I want to do something a little different and just do like a quick flip through of it all set up, because this took quite a few tries and moving around some things. So here is my current planner. This is what I'm using. I just went ahead and just put on some other disc on here just so that it can hold the rest of my months. And so in here is just having I think I have like May through December in here. That's going to hold that. And so I'm going to be rotating them out each quarter in there. So this is the current planner. This is what it's going to look like for the rest of 2023. I did use the Work Plus Life covers on here. It's very soft, faux leather type cover. And easy to turn, and I like that because the back does have like that pocket. And then I went ahead and just add like a little pin loop because it didn't have one, and all I did was just put in some of my gold metal disc that I think just looks very classy and chic and very neutral. So that is what my 2023 planner looks like right now. So inside I did include a cute little dolly and a quote that says, "If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal." And then in the front cover, of course, is just like a welcome page to my planner, because this is my catch-all home planner. And what I did was went ahead and I added this frosted cover divider on the front, just so they can protect this vellum, because I think this vellum is really cute. This vellum came from Planner Press. I'll put the information down below. And it just gives you a definition of home. And then here you have the Wilkins established information, where we're going to sit down together later and write out all of our goals. So here is another one of the going for the goals section, which not only my goals are going to go in here, but also my family goals. And I got this printout from the Organized Money. I'll put her information down below as well. This is one of my reminder words that I want to reflect on each time. And so I went ahead and did this for 2022, but I liked it so much that I want to go ahead and include it, but I am going to change it up for this year. So as you can see, I do have top tabs. These are the main categories in my planner, and then the side tabs are different categories going into that specific top category. All right, so the first section is going to be family appointments, and I created this page to give me a quick glance at each of our appointments. And it'll be like a quick reference so that I can track each of our appointments. And I'll be referencing this from time to time while I'm planning for each week and each month. So I have each of our family members' name in here so that I can easily get to them and look at the appointments at a glance during the week. The next section is school, and it's self-explanatory. This is going to keep up with the kids' attendance tracking. I got this attendance tracker from Fancy Plans Co. I love these inserts. And then I will also have like some school information for each of the girls' schools. One is in middle school and the other two are in elementary. And then I also included in the back the school district calendar to also keep up with as well. So that is what that page is there. The next section is meal planning. And to be honest with you guys, I have desperately tried to keep up and have a routine with different meals each week, but I have picky eaters, so I found a cute, fun way to be able to keep up with all of our favorite items that we love to eat. And I just went ahead and used some cute, fun stickers with these half sheets from the Happy Planner, and I just went ahead and just kind of put cute little stickers for each day as far as what to cook, give me an idea of what I want to do. So like Mondays will be crock pot meals, Tuesdays is like spaghetti and salad, Wednesdays is like Chinese and hibachi. You get the picture. So I thought this would be a cute, fun way of keeping up with some family favorites. That way it give me a good idea of what I can cook really quick and easy. And then another page that I did was what's for dinner. Sometimes we like to just whip up a quick snack, something that's real easy, like Taco Tuesdays, hamburgers and fries, pizza night, that type of stuff. And normally on Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday, we normally do like takeout. So that's why I left those pages kind of open, but of course we can still rotate those. And then I just have some extra pages for that. But I am going to be creating a family favorite, like actual dinner things that we love on those other pages. So I do have to put in that because I forgot to put that in the planner, but I do have extra pages to kind of go ahead and maybe write down some recipes that I've seen that I might want to try. I have those extra pages here for that reason. Now, the next section is going to be zone cleaning. And you guys, we just purchased a home. And so I went ahead and ordered another one of these home zone inserts from Fancy Plans Co. I absolutely love her inserts, y'all. So I can't wait to show you guys how I'm going to be setting that up. And I also have some of those information on my Instagram. But I have to redo this, and I'm still getting into a routine as far as how I'm going to be breaking the zones up, because we have a little bit more space and a lot of areas. So I have to really kind of take my time with that. So that's why this is blank. I don't have everything break down, but you do see that you do get home zone breakdowns. You get a zone checklist, which I absolutely love. And it's going to not only help me, but also help my family to see the things that we need to get done. So within that section, I do have subsections or subcategories on the side here that is going to go into all of the cleaning sections. So these are the side tabs for that category. So the first one is going to be the cleaning routine. Some of you may have seen this in my home planner for 2022. I went ahead and take that out because I do want to reference this, and I got this from notmadaboutit.com. I am going to be referencing this to build my own cleaning routine. This page right here is also a page that I created in 2022 in my home planner. Of course, I am going to have to redo this, but I want to kind of reference to that when I do create my own cleaning list daily, AM routine, PM routine, and also weekends. And I made some of those stickers there myself. So I was really excited about that. And then just some extra pages there too. The next section, our next subcategory, is going to be cleaning schedule. This page, I have quite a few pages because I don't know what I want to use, but this first page is from the Happy Planner, and I wanted to keep up with just an easy reference for the kids as far as their cleaning routine. And then this is a page that I created, my cleaning routine. Power hour, I love doing power hours, and power hour is just giving myself time, just an hour to do certain things in the house, so that it's not like I'm cleaning all day, all the time. So I created this page. I think I'm going to use it. I'm not for sure. I want to tweak some things on here, but for right now, I think I like it, but I'm going to try it out as well. And also I did get a weekly cleaning routine insert from, yes, you got it, Fancy Plans Co. And I actually like these inserts, but I still want to kind of create something that's going to fit my needs. But I am going to go ahead and try out Fancy Plans Co. inserts first when doing my cleaning routine, only because this insert is by the week, and I know things will change by the week instead of just keeping a random Monday, this is what we're going to be doing, because things will change. And so I think I'm going to start with this first until I actually get in the swing of things in the new house. And all of that. So that's these inserts. Again, like I said, that's Fancy Plans Co. The next section is chores. I am going to be creating a chore chart for each of the kids, but I do have some blank pages here for right now. But it's going to kind of break up everybody's chore information because this is a home catch-all planner, so everybody will be able to reference this if they need to. The last section, our subcategory, is a room design workbook. This also came from Fancy Plans Co. Y'all, I absolutely love this. And because we purchased our new home, there's really not much that we need to get done. But I really wanted this particular insert because we are thinking about redoing our master bathroom. And so I think this is a great addition to start doing that. And so I can't wait to start planning for that. in the upcoming months and getting it done. So that'll be, you know, a good way to track everything. But she has it very detailed, and I just love this. And so I just love it. And you have an after picture and thoughts. This page right here, you guys, was like a quick reference that I did in 2020. And this was my home section in my little vision board that I created in my planner. And this just have what we want to get done, the deadline we want to get it done. And then at the bottom is when we actually got it done. And then these little notes are the steps that we took to get the goals done for our previous home. So I want to keep that as like a little memory keeping. All right, the next top section is going to be when the last I. You guys, I have tried different ways of trying to track this. I think I found a good way of doing that. So I'm still working on my little when the last I tracker to keep up with all the things. I've tried to put them in my planner, put them in the weekly and the monthly. It doesn't work. So I made a specific section for that. So you hopefully will be able to see that either here or on Instagram. Next section is bill schedule. And I love this insert. And I think this definitely needs to be in my planner to keep up with. And so because we purchased a new home, we do have a little bit more bills, and a lot of our mortgage and stuff, the dates have changed. And so to keep up with that, I went ahead and just printed out this printable bill tracker to keep up with all of that information. So I have all this information in the front. Now in the back, I have the actual planner, because as my thought process is, as I can see things in the beginning, then when I'm starting to plan, I can go ahead and move everything forward and remember when I'm starting to plan, going ahead and writing those down for the week. So here is the actual planner. I have January through April in here, the first quarter, that I think that will be able to help me keep up with it and not be too chunky in this planner. And so this is in the dashboard layout. I went ahead and already planned out, have an idea of what I'm going to do and plan out for the week. So I'm going to be doing that after this video, planning for the whole entire month of January. And I'm going to see how this is going to work, because I feel like if I go ahead and plan at least a month ahead, it will keep me on track. So that is the whole shebang bang of my planner, my home planner. I absolutely love how everything turned out, and I love the categories I have in there. I may end up adding 1 or 2 more sections in here. But don't worry, whenever I do decide to add any other categories or add anything to my home planner, I will definitely let you guys see what I include in here and how I'm going to be using it. Also, I will be putting those information on my Instagram as well. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please make sure you go ahead and do that. But I love how chunky it is. I love the categories and the subcategories I have in this planner. Let me know what categories you add to your current home or catch-all planner. So now my planner is all set up for 2023. I do hope you come back for more tea time, because I'm going to be setting up my next planner. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it inspires you to go ahead and decide on how you want to create your own planner system or even start your planner journey. Thanks for watching.